Happy weekend, everybody. Yeah, just a quick weekly insight video. As always, I'll start with the close of the week. So this week's been quite exciting from a trading perspective. Anyway, don't know about a life perspective. Yeah, so I didn't have any trades close at all this week. So we're effectively flat as far as realised trades go. It has fallen by 0.06%, and I presume that's due to some sort of rollover or something. It also might be because I didn't have definitive numbers on last week because I was away and I did it a day late. So yeah, but basically nothing closed, so we're flat really. What is interesting though is that we've got we're actually up 1% on unrealised profit from last week. Which is good because that means if we closed everything, we'd actually be in profit for this period. So yeah, let's just have a quick look at what was going on. So that was the close. What's actually been going on this week? If I go and have a look at what we've got open currently. In fact, why don't we just bring that over here? So here's the current kind of open trades. So if we pull up, let's have a look at, so, okay, first of all, these are the things I'm noting. So going forward, I'm also looking at silver. So I've kind of had silver coming down to maybe 1850, somewhere between 18 and 1850, and I've been waiting for it to do that since it was about over here. And then I think there might be another buy opportunity if it gets to around that thing. So silver's one I'm keeping an eye on this week. Also, oil's been having a bit of an exciting week, so I was really gutted that I missed this because I got out here. But yeah, it's been a lovely kind of bullish rally. I'd like to get on the short side of it if it sets up properly, but, and here is the big but, if you look at it on a weekly chart, let me get rid of this one for you. Is that a good diagram? USA. Yeah, so on a weekly chart here you can see we've kind of got this inverted head and shoulders here, and it's also breaking through an itchy cloud here. So to be cards on the table, it looks bullish, even though fundamentally I think there's too much oil knocking around. But yeah, if it breaks through here, it could well be up and away, and everything does look like it's going to do that actually. But as I say, we'll just trade what we see. Yeah, so that was that. So oil I'd keep an eye on if I were you. Other things we've got, so USD CAD, let's have a quick look at this guy. USD CAD, again this is weekly, so what have we got here? Yeah, we got in short on a daily, and yeah, this thing's running quite well. We had a bit of a news announcement relating to Caddy, to the Loonie on, was it Friday, Thursday, I can't remember, Friday, this is it, so it's getting a bit fragile there, but I'm still hoping it continues on a bit of a run down to this level, so just going to leave that. What else is on there? Aussie Swiss, so I've got a couple of Aussie trades on, so Aussie Swissy is also running okay, similar sort of thing. So you know, we had the support here and we shorted here, and that's looks to be doing okay, so we'll hope that will continue. Currently about 200 pips up. And what else do we have? New Zealand CAD, where are you? There you go, right at the end. This is the one I don't like so much actually. Yeah, so I'm a bit naughty here because I've squeezed the stop on this trade to about here, and as you can see it's not quite over all the tops. So I've been a bit naughty. We have got this massive rejection candle here, which is sorry, pull that over for you a bit. Massive rejection candle here, which you know suggests that the bears will come rushing in if we get near that. But I don't like this trade, and I've been a naughty boy, and I'll see how it plays out. I'm hoping it just carries on down, but hope is not what you need in this game. German 30. So there's two indices trades open at the moment, German 30 and UK 100. So that's doing something. So we are up, and we are at break even on the German 31. So we hope that continues on down short. I've got another order in there that might get filled if it does, or will get filled if it does that. But we'll see. And as we know at the moment, the equities aren't really doing what one might have thought. And we've got the same scenario here basically on the UK 100, and the risk is managed. So I'm not overexposed or anything. So I've got about 0.6% risk on there, and nothing on the Germans. So I'm quite happy with all that. There was one other trade I wanted to talk about. Yeah, GBP Aussie. So that was something we spotted last weekend, I believe, and I posted that out. So yeah, this trade it's moving in the right direction. You can see we've got two trades open. One's up 166 pips, the other one's up 69 pips. And this is kind of a momentum divergence play. So when you start seeing this this here, and then, because I didn't do it on the video, did I? I just posted it out. So when I see things like this, a divergence between this kind of momentum and this price here, that starts suggesting to me that there could be a trend change. So I use that combined with the fact that we've got a cross here to get my longs in. Sorry, my brain's a bit rusty, but I'm trying to. No, I didn't do it on the 8 hourly. Maybe I did it on the 2 hourly actually, as an entry, which is something I quite like doing, to be honest. So I could see the setup on the daily looked okay, potential trend reversal, and then I used the 2 hour chart to actually get in on the trade and kick it off. So that worked quite well, or appears to be working quite well. Of course, we have just had a rejection candle here on the last day, so it'll be interesting to see if if it continues, or if it continues on up, or if it starts working on this downtrend. So my risk here is, despite the fact it's running quite well, I'm still at risk. So I need to move that stop up when appropriate, but I'm not going to push it, because I keep getting stopped out when I don't need to be for doing that sort of thing. And yeah, as I said, my risk across the whole board is okay. Where are we? Yeah, so I've got 2% risk on the whole lot, which I don't think personally is too bad. And yeah, I'm just going to hope it runs. There's nothing else I want to put on at the moment. We've got some news announcements, but nothing really till Thursday, and then a few on Friday. So hopefully that means it'll be quite a good week trading. But yeah, hope you're all well. Hope you're having a great weekend. It's been sunny, cloudy, sunny, cloudy, sunny, cloudy here. Yeah, that's what we all want. So go out there, live the dream, and enjoy it. Let's hope we win. Bang.